Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very simple yet effective reverse polarity protection circuit, commonly used in practical electronic designs. This circuit uses a rectifier diode, a green LED, and a resistor to protect the load against reverse polarity, while also providing a visual indication. When the power supply polarity is correct, the diode is forward biased, current flows to the load, and the LED remains off. If the power supply is reversed, the diode becomes reverse biased, blocking current to the load. At the same time, current flows through the LED path, turning it on as a warning indicator. The diode used here is an IN4007. Its maximum average forward current is 1 ampere, with a peak surge current of up to 30 amperes for a very short time. This means the load current must stay below 1 ampere. For higher current loads, a power diode or a MOSFET-based protection circuit is recommended. The LED current is limited using a resistor calculated by V supply minus VLED divided by ILED. In this circuit, a DC motor is used as the load. Reverse polarity does not damage the motor and also prevents reverse rotation. This is a low-cost, reliable solution for protecting low-current loads against reverse polarity, using minimal components and clear visual feedback. If you found this circuit useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical electronics projects.